Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Reva English Academy. I am your friend Prahalad Parihar and you are watching my new video. This video is related to how to improve our word power, English word power. There may be many ways of improving English word power, but I am going to suggest you a very unique way of memorizing word power, that is reading and improving our word power. Whenever I go to teach new students, their most common question is that how can they improve their word power. So I am going to suggest you the way that if you want to improve your English, read newspapers, read books, read storybooks, read textbooks, whatever reading material you find, you can read. And whenever you have a difficult word in your reading, you should go to dictionary, you should go to mobile phone. In olden time we were going to dictionary to find the word meaning, but this time we should go to smartphone. And you have a smartphone, everybody has a smartphone this time. So if difficult words are coming in your reading, you should see in the meaning in your smartphone. Just type there and find the meaning. And now the thing which I am going to suggest you, the book which you can read and improve your English, and that is this book, Mahabharata. This is English version and this is written by C. Rajagopalachari. So this book is available online. You can call it from any source of online marketing. And why I am suggesting this book? Because I have read personally this, and I have found that many words, many important words, many precious words are available in this book, and this is interesting also. As you know that this is the world famous book and religious book. Here are many characters which are very interesting, like Bhishma Pitamaha and Arjun, Dronacharya, Kunti, Draupadi, and every character of this book is very valuable, very interesting. Most interesting character of this book is Lord Krishna. And if you read this book, you will read lot of stories, lot of mythological words will be available in this book. And if you find the meaning of those words, you will definitely improve your English. So as you have seen that teachers are memorizing lot of things. Why? Because teacher is teaching 100 times before coming to you. So he is not memorizing the words by force. He is just teaching and feeling the meaning, finding the meaning, and automatically it comes in his mind. So in the same way, if you will read books like this story book, this is a very there are a lot of pages in this book, and you will have to spend a lot of time for reading it. So daily you can read 2, 3 or 4, 5 pages, and you should find the meaning in dictionary or in your phone, smartphone, and you can make notes of those words. If you don't make notes, there is no problem. You should just read and find the meaning, and do this practice again and again, and I assure you that you will definitely improve your English word vocabulary, word power. So friends, the book is written by C. Rajagopalachari, and this is very interesting book. So if you want to improve your English word power, read this or any book. My suggestion is to read this book. If you are not interested in really reading religious books, you should buy some novels. But I hope and I think that you should read some books which are having good effect on your mind, and one of those is this Mahabharat by C. Rajgopalachari. If you read it, you will find the words which are very interesting, and I think which are very amazing. I have not seen any other book which contain such unique and different words. I don't know how C. Rajgopalachari has written this, and what he was thinking about when he was writing this book. But I have felt that the words which are in this book are very different. For same meaning, he has used a lot of different words. So it is very helpful to us for improving our English. तो दोस्तों, मेरा ये सजेशन है कि अगर आप अपनी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो न्यूज़पेपर, बुक्स और टेक्स्ट बुक जो भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं, जो भी आपको मिल सकती है, उसको पढ़िए। पढ़ करके और उनके जो हार्ड वर्ड्स हैं उनके मीनिंग जो है अपने स्मार्टफोन या डिक्शनरी से ढूंढिए, और ढूंढ करके और उसको जो है या तो अपनी कॉपी में लिख लीजिए या फिर उसको ढूंढ करके जस्ट अपने एक बार मीनिंग जान लीजिए कि इस वर्ड का मीनिंग ये है। इस प्रोसेस को जब आप लंबे समय तक करेंगे तो आपकी इंग्लिश जो है वोकैबुलरी वो इतनी अच्छी हो जाएगी, आपको आश्चर्य होगा कि ये कैसे हो गया। बिकॉज कोई भी बलपूर्वक याद करके, बाय फोर्स याद करके और जो है इतने सारे वर्ड्स के मीनिंग याद नहीं रख सकता। जैसे कि आप शिक्षक को देखते हैं, कोई टीचर को देखते हैं कि वो जो है बहुत सारे वर्ड्स के मीनिंग उसको याद रहते हैं, वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो कई बार उन चीज़ों को पढ़ा चुका होता है और वो जो है नेचुरली उसके माइंड में रहते हैं। तो आई होप आप लोगों को ये बात समझ में आ रही होगी कि आप अपना वर्ड पावर कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं और कैसे अपने वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स को जो है बेहतर से बेहतर प्लेस पर ले जा सकते हैं वर्ड पावर को। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग इट, और प्लीज़ share and like and comment on my videos. Please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you once again.